Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change team logo in Diamond Dynasty in MLB The Show 26. Changing our team logo is really easy. First, from the main menu, we need to switch over to build and then go to customize. Here we need to go to logo vault in order to download any of the logo from the vault, and then you should be able to see all of the community created logos. Select the logo you want to use. So I want to use this logo. Just select it and then select download. Now we have to choose our save file name. I have just selected that, and now pick the save slot where you want to save your logo. So I just save it in the first place. Now we just need to go back from here. On this screen we need to go to logo editor. Under it, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation in order to edit logo. Now to import the downloaded logo, we need to press options on PlayStation or the menu button on Xbox. After that, select load. Now select the logo which you just downloaded, and after that the logo files will be imported on your timeline. And to edit the size and all things, we need to press down on D-pad first. After that, all of the layers will be highlighted, and then you can use the left joystick in order to place it anywhere you want, and to adjust the size you can use the right stick like so. And after you have placed the logo successfully, just press the back button and then select save changes. After that, the logo for your team will be changed in Diamond Dynasty. Let me show you that in this screen. So there we go, the logo has been changed. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.